Okay, so here's today's catch. I'd say there's about 12 squid in there, maybe a couple more. This is a little video demonstrating how I clean the squid using this little contraption here, so stay tuned. Okay, so there's 14 squid. So what I do is I take the heads off the squid and have the hoods separated, and now the hoods are going to go into my squid basket tumbler. Also what I do is with the knife I cut the ends of each one, so therefore when it goes in the tumbler it allows water to enter and exit and sort of cleans out inside the tube. So I've cut all the tips off, so that's all the tips off there. So we'll throw them in the water, some burley, and okay, so now we'll stick them in the tumbler. All the tumbler is a keeper net, and what I've done, so that's the keeper net there, and all I've done is I've gotten a bucket and cut a bucket up in pieces so it creates a series of rings, and then I've just cable tied the rings on there. That way when they're all in there and it's all tied up, it sort of keeps it all open so that it can tumble, they can tumble around. Bit hard with one hand. Alright. You guys get the drift, I'll get back to you. Okay, so there's all 14 squid. They're in there. Now what we're going to do is, I'll explain this now and then you probably won't hear me when the boat gets going. What I do is, if you're with somebody else, you get somebody else to drive the boat, and you've got to position the tumbler in on the side of the engine wake. I'm lucky enough that I've got an autopilot, so therefore I can do it on my own. It is a little bit difficult to do on your own if you haven't got someone to steer the boat. But yeah, I'm lucky enough that I've got the autopilot. So now what I'm going to do is put the phone down, I'm going to position the boat, get it going, make sure there's no one in front for ages, and I'll get this thing going in the wake, and then I'll film it whilst it's tumbling in the wake. Okay, so I'm sitting on about 12 kilometers an hour. Squid are in there getting tumble washed in salt water. So I'll do this now for about 5 minutes or so, heading towards the boat ramp. Yeah, and by the end of this we should have nicely bleached squid hoods. All the slime should be off, and sometimes even all the gunk from inside the tube should be out. But it's mainly to get all the slime off, because there's nothing worse trying to clean these things with all the slime and making that mess at home as well. So stay tuned, we'll see what they come out like. I've just picked the pace up a little bit. I don't know if you can see them tumbling. Okay, so they've been tumbling for 5 minutes. Okay, we'll try and get these up one-handed. And as you can see, they are slime free. Let's open it up. Well, there you go. They are slime free. Going to be so much easier to pull the wings off and clean the insides out, pull the little bone thing, whatever they call that in the middle. Yeah, so it's so much easier, no mess at home, easier to do. And here's another look at the tumbler. So that's it there, just a keeper net with some a bucket cut up and used as rings to space it out. Come up, I've got a nice big heavy duty swivel and some sort of a clip so you can clip it onto a loop on the end of your rope, and that's it. That's all there is to it. Yeah, you get those, and all the heads are in there. That's my favourite part, to eat the heads, to be quite honest. So they're just in the live bait tank. They're getting a wash of their own. They wash up pretty easy, so they're almost clean, just sitting in the live bait tank. So I'll just cut the tentacles off and fry those up in a little bit of flour, and they come up absolutely delicious. And that's them again. Now they go on ice and straight home. Cheers, thanks for watching.